In this tutorial, we're going to learn the technique of palmering hackle. You're going to take your material, your feather, you're going to pull off the fluff or the excess feathers that you don't need so you have an exposed stem. Now with this stem, you're going to be tying that in. If you look at your feather, you have a shiny side, you also have a dull side. You want that shiny side to be facing you. So we're going to tie in this stem with a soft loop, also known as a pinch loop. And you just basically want to make sure, again, that that shiny side continues to stay and is facing you. Like so. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just wrap the rest of the stem up onto the top of the shank of the hook just to keep that feather secure. Next, we're going to use our hackle pliers. Now you have to push down with quite a bit of effort here, and you'll notice that those jaws are going to open up. So we're going to take that and we're going to pinch the tip of this feather, just the tip. And then we're going to next just palmer this hackle towards the front of the fly. So we're going to wrap in a forward motion this feather. Now you want to make it even wraps towards the front. Now as you're going, you can kind of push the hackle back so that way you're not wrapping over it. And again, I'm just going to kind of push some of that hackle back. All right, so now I've come to the end of my feather. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold those hackle pliers straight up. I'm going to take my thread and I'm going to wrap around the feather twice behind, and then I'm going to go twice in front. And this is really just to secure that feather. I'm going to let that go and I'm going to cut. And this concludes the tutorial of palmering hackle.